Hi guys, welcome back to the Glam channel. If you hear a little bit of noise, my daughter is in the background and this is not my usual setup either. I just filmed this quick video to show you this eye look that I did with my new Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic eyeshadow palette. Okay, so Jaclyn Hill came out with this new fall collection. It's actually 4 palettes. I decided to do a look with this one today. Which one out of the 4 is your favorite one? Let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to know which ones you like the most. So let me know down below if you want me to do separate videos with each separate palette. Head over to my Instagram, find this look, and leave me a green heart emoji so I know you came from my YouTube channel. I just wanted to come in here and let you guys know that I have joined an affiliate program with Gerard Cosmetics. You will save 30% off your entire purchase. My discount code is GSGLAM. I want to disclose that I do make a small commission if you use my code, and if you use my code, thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Now, if you are new to my channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe and bell notification button so I can keep you up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials that I do on my channel. That way I can make sure that I can keep your face beat all year long. And that is it for today, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this really quick tutorial. And again, my daughter is still here in the room with me. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this. And if you want to see the other palettes, you want to see a look with the other palettes, let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification button, and give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys on my next video.